Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo and I'm back again with another video. So it's currently 5:36 a.m. April 30th, 2024. You can see in the bottom right corner. But I'm just making this video to give you guys what happened throughout the night. I was looking at the charts throughout the night. I had my phone next to me and I kept checking it. And I was a little mad, but it's okay. We're fine. Like I knew what I wanted to happen is about to happen with the charts. So last night, price was having this big momentum push right here. I got the evening star pattern a little bit, got the bearish growth. So cool. It broke the neckline of the head and shoulders. I don't know if y'all saw what I saw. But on the 30-minute and the 1 hour, there's a head and shoulders right here. So it finally broke down here, right? I put an alarm here, broke below. So I'm like, okay, cool. When it breaks below, it's gonna come retest. And price was having a big momentum. So when it broke below, I was thinking, okay, I had an alarm here, so it would come back and retest and then continue to the downside. But it never happened, so I just went to bed. And then last night, I checked my phone like 3 times, and price just kept moving down, moving down. Now in my head, I was like, oh dang, I'm kind of missing this move. But I know if price keeps pushing, like having this long momentum push down, it has to come back and retest. It literally price can't just drop. Let me show you. Price just can't drop all of this by itself. Like it has to have a pullback. And the longer price drops, the bigger of a pullback it's gonna have. So price dropped down here and is now having the pullback that I told y'all about. So that's why I wasn't really worried about this trade. It was having a pullback. So as you can tell, 15 minutes about to touch the EMA, but I don't think that's what's gonna stop. I think it's gonna pull back to the neckline because it needs to retest the neckline. Like let me show y'all. So when this happens, price breaks below, comes back and retests it, and then continues. So I have my alarm set right there, and I'm gonna wait for price to come back and retest the neckline again, and then enter the trade from there. Cool. USD CAD, literally, price was having a big momentum. Last night, I wanted to take this trade, but I was waiting for the pullback. Literally, I was waiting for the pullback right here. It didn't happen. It kept going up, so I just went to bed. And then this morning, I woke up. I see that we broke previous structure on a 2 hour right here. So I'm just waiting for it to come back and retest, which it is doing perfectly. But I was gonna take the trade. I was gonna wait for a little drawdown, but I'm gonna wait to see how this candlestick, depending on how this closes. If this closes somewhere around here, then I might take the trade. But I'm just keeping watch on that right now. Cool. GBP, this one did exactly what it wanted to do. I told y'all this trade will play out by Wednesday. It's Tuesday right now, so I'm still watching it. I put an alarm right here, so price is at the area of interest, around psychological level, all of that, EMA retest. So I'm waiting for it to give me my evening stock pattern as well as my bearish engulfing candle, and I'm gonna enter the trade based off that. But this trade might take a while to play out, so I'm just watching it currently. So I'm not really worried, but it is at the area of interest and it's ready for me to do whatever I'm waiting for it. And then NZD CAD, literally the opposite of NZD USD. Price came to the area of interest, retested it. You can see a Morningstar pattern right here, but I didn't take it because I wasn't confident. I thought it was going to keep selling because there's 2 areas of interest. So I thought it was going to keep selling, but it didn't because price literally just kept dropping. So anyways, price book above, retested it, another Morningstar formation right here, but we have to wait for this candlestick to close to actually confirm it. So that's what I'm waiting on. And if it does close right there, cool. I wanted to close above here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I wanted to close above here. So then I'm gonna wait for a little drawdown. I just wanted to close above here. So I put my thing over it. But if it closes above here, then shift the structure, goes bullish. And then once that happens, I'm thinking it's probably gonna have like a minor retracement, so like about right here. Yeah, at the bottom of this. So yeah, minor retracement. Let me just put it right here. Minor retracement before it continues going up, and that's where I'm going to enter the trade about right here. So remove my stop loss. So yeah, those are all the trades I'm looking at right now. It's early in the morning, really early. I have to go to work, so I'll give you guys an update later on when I get back. Alright YouTube, what's going on? It's literally the same video, just second part of it. It is still the 30th of April, 2024, 12:50 p.m. So I just got back from work and bro, a lot of stuff happened on the markets today. really. So let me just break it down. So as I was saying, I was looking at NZD CAD this morning, and it did do exactly what I wanted to do for the most part. But give me my signal right here. I don't know if you can tell, bro. Literally, watch this. One evening star pattern right here. Two evening star pattern right here. Three evening star patterns right here. So finally, this one broke above. So I waited for the retest and I entered right here. Cool. Literally, as I entered the trade, bro, trade went into drawdown. I'm like, bro, three Morningstar patterns and it broke above previous structure. So I'm like, I feel confident about this trade. Literally, I entered the trade and I lost. So by the time when trade got around here, I took out my profits because I was not about to get wicked out. Like, look at it. If I was still in this, I would have lost 500. So I took my profits. I think I lost like 300 on it, but it's all good. So, but I made it up because news dropped today. Bro, CAD USD, this one was beautiful. So I didn't catch most of it. So I was looking at the charts right here. I really was. Price literally broke above. I was waiting for it to come retest, which it did retest, and then it went up and it came back because I needed to close above, but it went back and closed below. So then it went bearish. So I'm like, okay, cool. I mean, it's not bearish yet, but it was heading down. So I'm like, okay, cool. Is it gonna come back all the way here and close below? So I was waiting for it. Price went up, so I was feeling confident. Then price had this bearish momentum right here, and price like once this one closed and this one started pushing down, I was like, okay, cool. Price is gonna close underneath. I'm gonna go bearish, so why not take this trade? I didn't take this trade. I was still looking at it, and I tell you, I put my phone away for a few seconds, and then news dropped at 8:30, and then boom, price just skyrocketed. I was like, whoa. So I had an alarm set like right here. It's still there because I was watching it, but yeah, it skyrocketed. I was like, okay, cool. What happened? Like, how did it bounce up? News drop. So I entered another trade right here. Put my stop loss right here, so it gives enough space so it can wick in and then continue up. So that's what the market has been doing so far. So I lost 300 on the first one. The account was at 800-ish, 92,800. I lost 300, so it was around 500-ish. So on this trade, I'm currently up 221. I was up like 260 something at one point. But obviously it's having this pullback right here. It's probably going to retest this area right here. And then continue to the upside. So yeah, if this hits, this should give me about 300 back. Literally what I lost, the profits that I lost. And I'm looking at this trade on the NZD USD. Literally, I noticed that these two markets working together as well. So when this is going up, that one goes down, vice versa. So this one pulled back. I went to the 2-hour time frame. Literally found this area of support and resistance. See it? Sorry, was it in 2 hours? That was in a 1 hour. Well, you can see 1, 2, 3 right there. Pretty sure if you go to a 2 hour, you can see 1, 2, then where's the third one? I thought it was this one right. I forgot which one. I think it was just on 1 hour. But find this area of support and resistance. Oh, 4 hours. So 1. Yeah, let me just show y'all. 1 right here, 2 right here, and 3 right here. So cool. So I'm like, okay, cool. Waiting for price to come back, which is doing exactly that. It's coming back to retest that area. It's around psychological level with 59,100. So I'm gonna wait for price to come back and retest it. It needs to retest it before I take this trade. And yeah, I'm gonna put just like a measly 1 lot on it. I will put 500 on it just because this trade has potential. It's 1 to 3. But yeah, so I'm currently in this one. Let's put it up here. And yeah, as you can see, it's going back up. So yeah, I'm just watching this one right now. Honestly, I could take this because it has come back to the area of interest and retested it. But I'm gonna wait and see. Wait for it to give me another signal. So Euro USD, literally this one has played out exactly how I wanted to. Literally price pull back to the area of interest. It's rejecting it. If you can see on the 4 hour, bro, this is a beautiful head and shoulders pattern right here. Beautiful. Let me show y'all. I think it was on 1 hour. No? Alright, cool. Beautiful head and shoulders pattern right here for me. So it's gonna break the neckline, which it has done. Now I put the alert right there. It's gonna when price breaks, an area, it literally comes back and retests it before continuing to the downside. So that's what I'm waiting on. Literally put my alarm there. I'm about to take a nap, so hopefully I wake up from the alarm. But yeah, price is gonna come back, retest the area, retest structure. And let me just teach you all the confluences. So it's gonna retest area of interest, retest structure, and then retest the neckline, the head and shoulders, and then continue to the downside. So this, I'm looking at this trade. I will take this trade as well. And Euro GBP, bro, when I tell you this trade played out exactly how I wanted to, I've been watching this one all morning as well. Price literally came to the area of interest, retested it, and like I told you, when price breaks below, it comes back and retests. So it came back and retested it. Give me that perfect rejection. Look at this head and shoulders right here. Let me show y'all. Right here. Beautiful head and shoulders. So I was content to taking this trade. I was waiting for it to break the neckline. And then, like I said before, news dropped. And then it just dropped. So I kind of missed the beginning part of this trade, but it's all good. Price is gonna come back and retest. Literally, like I said earlier, it retest neckline, area of interest, and so forth before continuing to the downside. And EMA is above as well. So it could come back and retest the EMA as well. So yeah, these are the trades I'm looking for. I'll probably push this video out. I will edit this literally in a little bit. And then yeah, I'll show you guys the account. Let me see where it's at right now. 228. So yeah, still watching this trade. And I'm watching this one to give me a good entry. I'm waiting for that pullback. See? Beautiful pullback. I need to at least touch about right here. Because if it goes above, if it closes above here, then it's it goes bullish. And I don't want it to go bullish for 15 minutes. So actually, this is a good rejection right here. This one, yeah, this is a good rejection. I'm gonna wait and see. This candlestick is probably gonna close right here. The next one, if the next one closes above here, I will not enter this trade. But if the next one, you know, test this area that closes, if it closes red, if the next one closes red, I will enter this trade. So 3 minutes left. And yeah, this one literally pulling back to the area of interest, like I said. Beautiful. Take this trade as well. This one I'm waiting for it to come back. So that's basically it. Just waiting for this one to hit take profit, take my profit, take my money out. And yeah, keep going. Bro, I've almost blown this account so many times, and I'm not gonna let that happen. Like, I'm actually motivated to keep this account going. Actually, I'll just let the video play out. Yeah, so y'all can watch with me. Oh man, how y'all doing today, though? How y'all doing? I've been trying to stay consistent with the channel, upload more videos. You know, let's see how this candlestick closes, because it could close and automatically the next one will just open and go bearish automatically. So we're still watching that. Also, there's NZD news at 5 p.m. Bets are yellow and there's a red border here. So yeah, this trade is kind of a tricky one. So I want to take it when news hit. It's also NFP week, first week of May. So yeah, a lot of news happening. So we're just watching it. Literally, this one's retesting exactly how I wanted to. So come on. If it closes below here, it's really good. I really like it based on how it closes. And then the next one, the next candlestick is gonna determine. Because if the next one closes above here, it's going bullish. And then at that point, I don't want to take the trade. So yeah, a minute left. Yeah, man. But I'll give you guys a look at the dashboard. But yeah, this funding challenge has been fun. Like, it's been crazy sometimes, but yeah, gotta put the work in. Gotta put the work in. Yeah. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but that's fine. Tracking my journey. But yeah, this funding challenge has been really good. I want to pass this challenge so bad. Alright, cool. So there you go. Yeah, we have a 25% win rate. So 1 out of every 4 trades we take, we're gonna win. So let me just show y'all. This is the trade I took. Oh yeah, the USD CAD. I forgot to tell y'all. So I did enter like a second position right here, which, oh man, this trade made me so mad. I entered like a second position right here same take profit, but my stop loss was down here, and price literally almost wicked me out, and I closed it early. But as you can tell, price continued and it wicked me out. So trading plays with your emotions a lot, man. Look at this one pulling back. It's probably gonna retest this right here, retest structure, and then continue to the upside. Actually, it has retested structure already on the wick. As you can tell, look, yeah, it has retested structure right here, boom, and it's gonna continue to the upside. So it's gonna hit tick P, and then this one, let's see. Honestly, I might enter this trade. I'll put this right here. Above here because it's right. Yeah, I will enter this trade. I'll show you how to enter the trade. So I go to my FX position calculator, NZD USD. Go NZD USD. Account size. I need 2. Put 500. 500. Because this is the account we have right now. This is the equity, so we can close it. If we close this out, then this will become the balance. But this is the balance currently right now. So I'll put. Actually, I'll show y'all exactly what I do. All right, cool. So, 636, and I'm gonna put 200 on this because I want to go light. Because this is almost at take profit, so I wanted to hit take profit before. I mean, it's literally at the take profit, literally right there. So I wanted to hit TP. But I'm gonna put 200 on it. Stop loss 10.5. 10 pip stop loss. Calculate. So 2 lots. 2 lots on NZD USD. Honestly, I want to take the trade, but let's see where this candlestick closes. I really want to see where this candlestick closes. But yeah, I'll get back to you once the candlestick closes. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. So I forgot to show y'all how I entered the trade, but I went to bed. I took a nap, so I just woke up from my nap. I'm about to hit the gym after this, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And yeah, I'm gonna edit this video, push it out, and then while I'm at the gym, hopefully it uploads. So I'm gonna do the USD. This is a trade I took. So I told you I was waiting for it to come retest the area, but it didn't. When it retested here, I waited for the candle. I got an even star pattern right here, but not really. I don't really count that, but yeah. So I got this pattern right here. When this candlestick closed, I entered the trade immediately. Well, I didn't enter immediately. I waited, and price did go up first, and then it started going down. When it started going down, that's when I entered the trade. About right there. Currently, we're up 182 on NZD USD, which is this one right here. And then 269 on this one, USD CAD. So I'm gonna let this one play out. This one's almost at take profit, so yeah, I'm gonna let this one play out. The big one is like the trade that I want to take like the first time that I was just watching it. This one when market news hit, I was watching that one, so that's the trade I took. So yeah, I'm waiting for this trade to hit, and yeah, NZD USD, I'm gonna let this one play out. And there's news coming in later for NZD, so we'll see how that affects it. But yeah, those are the trades I have so far. So stay tuned, stay safe, and keep going.